Squat.
And then go up there. And we only... Guess we don't need our help with the boat.
Greg's a champ here.
I'm gonna try fly fishing today.
Oh yeah?
I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna try. I'm the third wheel with these fly fishermen I got around here.
We're floating the North Fork of the Flathead right before it dumps into the Middle Fork with fearless Captain Greg, and hopefully we catch some fish. We try to fish these seams over here in these pools, and then cruise down river to the next spot.
If I were to cast this thing out here and just keep my arm up here, it's floating with the bubbles pretty good right now, but pretty soon here it's gonna stop like that. So if I just start to follow it with the rod tip, see how that freed it up and it started floating again. Sometimes I will tell people circle.
Whatever.
If we're having trouble.
No, use the right word. I didn't bring my towel today.
It's like an ice bath.
I did an inner swimming once when I was kind of free with rocks and stuff. And I put it in the water like slow down.
Like a glove. Trisha the fly fisher woman. Good cast, babe. Eat it.
Try to put it right over on that right hand bubble line.
I don't know where we are, except we're in Montana on water in a boat. That's what I've got. Is it the Flathead?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I do know. It's the Flathead. Some fork of it. North fork of it. It's freaking beautiful.
Yeah, they can't really afford to get too picky here, which can help you out.
And keep pulling it in, babe. Just pull the line, pull the line.
Hey, pinch it under your finger. Now go real slow, Trisha. Don't pull too much all at once. Now you just want to lift your arm and lift it up.
Okay.
Just like that. You're doing
Oh, you're gonna get it for me.
Yeah.
Hey, you got my fish. I mean, I got your fish.
You caught a pretty nice
That's a nice rainbow.
Super nice.
I did it. Weird. This is weird.
Good job, babe.
Oh, it's in the boat, so that counts. I don't care.
You're gonna put him back.
Now.
You're gonna put him back. Good job, babe.
Okay, what do we do? Now we let it go. Make sure it lives right. Take care of the fish.
He's got it.
This is a nice rainbow.
No, I'm gonna drop it, but I want to hold it.
I'll throw him back if you want.
Can I put him in my hands just 1 second?
Yep.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm
Okay,
sorry.
put him back, put him back, babe.
I'm sorry. I just dropped him in the water. Is he okay?
Yeah, he's cool. You're good.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we didn't get skunked today. Good job, Trisha.
I'm finding it difficult to hold the camera and not be fishing. So, yeah. Let's see.
Alright, Devin, throw it a couple feet further right now. And downstream, try to hit that patch of bubbles down there. Perfect. Now pull it to you a little bit, pull it out in the current, strip in. And give it a big upstream bend.
Go!
You caught it. Ready?
2 fish in the net.
See how he doesn't hardly have any spots towards the front of his body? Yeah. That's pretty native cutty.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, we're twisted up a bit, but.
Been caught before.
Oh, love you. Bye.
Yeah. We all got the fish.
That's 3 now.
3.
Woo.
Great success.
I guess we're even now. I'm so happy for you.
We're here at Blanket Ship Bridge. This is where we exit the fly fishing. Wow, that was epic. Hey, how many fish did we catch?
8.
8?
4 and 4. It's even. Let the record. We'll have to have a rematch. I'm gonna get you next time.
That sounds like a rematch that I'm super excited to have. So this was an amazing trip. GlacierAnglers.net, the Glacier Raft Company. Man, they do a great job. Greg, super amazing. He's over here.
Taking care of the boat all by himself.